Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, are very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So finally I'm just outside, and that's my mom. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my African mom. They tried to wash small laundry, and we have the tap here, so they fetch water from there, from the tap, washing clothes. Man, I'm so grateful. And for the person who made it possible, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. And the rest of my audience watching my videos every day, I want to say thank you a million. May God also bless you. So it's early morning here, and this is my house where I'm coming from, guys. And technically for me, I'm just showing you how I'm doing these things maybe. And oh, go here. And so I'm trying to close it here. I'm trying. Okay, so my mom requested this sweater here. Right, sometimes my mom take care of me as a wow. So that's how everything is. And today's videos, I want to have my visitor around at my home, and actually you will know maybe late on my videos. And actually, guys, that's how my house looks like. And I say God thank you, because guys, you're the one who made it possible. I made the chairs here, putting tiles, buying table. And guys, go and watch maybe my recent videos. You see how I was making these chairs from scratch up to now, and putting ceiling board. At least for now, when I have my visitor around at my home, I don't fear maybe where my visitor could maybe have maybe some sitting point and all stuff. But right now, if I get maybe the visitor immediately, right on time, at least I could have maybe something where all place where he can sit, and maybe can maybe have maybe some glass of water, as maybe we keep pushing time, talking maybe some serious matter about our life. But anyway, guys, tomorrow on tomorrow's videos, I want to install the tiles right on time. So I want to close right now here, because it's time to go and pick my visitor from his home back to my home, maybe to visit for the maybe 30th time or 40th time. But I don't want to mention on my videos today, but you will see who maybe pay a visit again to my home, guys. And I feel so good when I receive visitors at my home, and I say that's the kind of blessing coming toward my family. Anyway, guys, thank you so much by clicking my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And Lord to 6K subscriber, I really appreciate it. And for now, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful, man. So I want to wear this. Oh, see, that's my mom washing my sweater, guys. And imagine there is water here. Look, they fetch water here. This is a clean water, guys. I'm telling you. You see? Oh, clean water, guys. From here. Look. Wow. Hey, it's going down. Wow. Mama, unajisikia sasa hivi?
Vizuri.
Yes, guys, I'm asking my mom, how do you feel maybe right now? Fetching water here, washing clothes, cooking, and even the same time, kunywa maji. They are drinking water, guys. That is my sister. And by maybe yesterday videos, it's really touched one of our subscriber. They want to support my sister with clothes, and I made a video and I'm passing there. Maybe it's the angel of heaven touched me and go and say to hi with somebody, with some kids. But when I'm going to Neighborhoods right now, I'll show you that house. And technically, we make some conversation with that maybe subscriber. They want to send for me maybe some clothes, and maybe it's so expensive maybe to send, and I'm going to carry. They're overcharging me. So maybe he can send maybe some money. I buy some clothes for my sister, and for that maybe boy, which I made a video yesterday at his home, And actually guys, I would make a videos while buying them some clothes. Maybe they will able to see that videos. So for me, I'm so honest, I'm so humble. The way maybe somebody said, hello baby, buy a tank like this one over here. I made a videos. The owner who may be supporting me by buying a tank, who will able to see the tank and exactly. And that's why I'm waiting that subscriber to do it for my sister and for my brother from another mother. And actually when I'm going to Nyabohans, I will show you that house. In case you are new on today's videos, you will know later. But I want to say sorry for saying this, but it's good to say what are inside of my mind and what I get maybe in the comment section. But I want to say in other way, thank you so much for dropping sweet comments. Wow guys. You Christmas you enjoy. Maybe you make the hairstyle, nice clothes, nice shoes. All right, so that's my Bruno, relaxing here. Bruno, that's my puppy Bruno. And I like this puppy, and every Saturday I must wash my puppy. Wow. And I'm planning to build a good kennel for my Bruno. The time will become. Bruno, what's up? What's up, Bruno? Maybe I want to open for it and then to have a short break. Come out, Bruno. Bruno is my puppy. Wow. Say hello. Say hello. Bruno. Say hello to my subscribers. They want to stand, guys. Imagine. These dogs are crazy. Guys, I'm telling you, my puppy is growing so big like crazy. Bruno. Bruno, come on. Come, Bruno. I love you, Bruno. Say hello. Say hello, Bruno. Say hello. And for now, guys, I think my puppy it's clean. Kneel down, Bruno. Wow, right now it's clean, guys. And I will make every week. Wow. Bruno, I will make every week to wash them. That is it. You see? Aya, muifungie. Sitaki kuonesha kwamba imefungia. Mama, I will say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Today you have a visit at home. It's right now. Guys, my African mom doesn't have any clue. I'm telling today you have the visitor. And then she was maybe kind of, wow. Leo una mgeni. Mama, leo una mgeni. Guys, I'm telling my mom today you have a visit. Today you have a visit.
Okay.
It's your relative. Today you have a visit. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm telling my mom today. Mungu moja. Today you have a visit. Guys, what am I going to do with my mom so they can believe on me? I'm telling my mom today you'll have the visit. Okay, so give me more time, mom. You will see. Mama, today we have the visitor around at home. They came and visited me. And actually, guys, he was my mentor. He was the one who mentored me from scratch up to now. Mom, and it's your relative. I'm telling you, mom. You wait. Guys, I'm telling my mom. She doesn't believe what I'm telling to her. But, sikia umbo. Yaani fungire umbo. Tagisekera nanko buruki. Anyway, guys, I'm telling my mom, oh, today you have the visitor. He doesn't believe. And this is the tiles which I'm going to fix from Monday. From Monday, you will see, guys, and it's wall tiles. So actually, from no Monday, guys, I'm so confused. From tomorrow you will see, because today is on Tuesday. From Wednesday morning you will see the reaction of my mason. I want to finish, guys, and at the same time my sister, they tried to wash my shoes. You know, this is my sandals, and actually I wear them. Ona zingine ziko pale. You know, so she was trying to make some practice what my mom doing, and maybe she copied from there. Usiwashe chini. Yeah. So mom, you wait. I'm coming with that visit. Subiria. Guys, me for now I'm not lying, guys. I'm telling my mom today we have the visit, and my mom, she doesn't believe on me. But anyway, guys, I don't want maybe to talk much maybe on my modern toilet. So tomorrow morning the video will start from there. It depends. So anyway, guys, I'm outside. Oh, let me check on the other side. I want to check on the other side because we have another material which I bought maybe like 4 months ago, and it's for my mom dream house. And technically, guys, the good thing about me, when I get money I spend maybe in materials or in construction. If I have maybe some small project, when I get money I run it through on that and all stuff. But I stopped buying, or I stopped purchasing material because I was make sure to put more effort on my toilet so I can finish up. But anyway, I think it can't go maybe beyond 25th on December, which we're heading on December season, which is this week, maybe on next week you're heading there. So I don't wanna maybe saying, oh, but I know we start a new month this week, which is Christmas or December season. So I think by date 10, date 15, I shall finish everything on my toilet, and then you will see material coming slowly, guys. And maybe, guys, if you are in touch what I'm doing to my mom or what I'm doing to my African mom, guys, you can support like 1 tipper for this, 1 tipper for balance stones over there. But for now we put more effort on this, because when we start maybe building things which maybe that are needed on the ground is this one and then that one there. So let's go, guys, that is it. But for me, it's a humble request from you. And this is my grandma home, that's my dad's home. Imagine you have the chicken here. Hey. Wow, guys, so that is it. And technically, guys, this is my request humble from you. If you want to support me in other way, guys, please support me, and I can able to accept, or to accept your supporters, you know. And you are amazing for me, or we said to accept or to receive. Yeah, in other way, I'm ready to receive your supporters, guys. Sorry for that, because you know sometimes English maybe language may be so hard, but I'm trying my best to make my information to be get clear. So today, after going to pick that visitor, and actually this is where I'm coming from, and I'm feel so grateful. Wow, this is my dad's home. One day I will change that home, so maybe I'll go and check how my neighbor he was doing, the one who make for me bricks. Maybe, guys. Or let me go first to pick my visit, and then I don't want maybe to complicate issues saying, oh, but sorry guys, I don't want to go to my neighbor. Let me pass this way. Oh, that's up. Oh guys, so I'm trying to pass here. I'm saying this, guys, I don't want maybe to complicate issues. Maybe you see me, I'm saying, oh, I want to finish this, I want to do this. Maybe, sorry for that. But at the moment I finish fixing tiles on my toilet, I will show you that huge transformation for my mom dream house, which are coming soon. Maybe in terms of materials and all stuff, you know what I mean? Wow, let's go. I'm coming from my home right now. I'm heading to come back with my visitor for this maybe third time, you know, it's third time. Wow. So it's relative to my mom, but my mom, I don't want maybe to give her clear information, so I'm trying maybe to challenge my mom a little bit and then see the reaction. But anyway, let's go. So I don't want maybe to go on my neighbor's where he make for me some bricks. So right now I'm heading to Nyambohan's technical right now, guys. Wow, the time is running like crazy. Time is running like crazy, man, I'm telling you. It's around 10 a.m. in the morning. That's my local time, and actually it's that over there, you see, it's 10 a.m. my local time. And I'm trying. Oh, let's go. Wow, guys. Oh, I'm trying to make my shirt to be look good and well, so stuff. So let's go, guys. And I think I could maybe, when I'm going this way, I'll show you that house on other side. I greet one of a small kid, and yesterday I'm really shocked. He was praying outside, and it's early morning, it's too cold, but I'm asking him, what are you doing outside? He asked me, oh, I'm coming outside to pray and all stuff. But I know maybe sometime, maybe when he feels so hungry, maybe nights, all the night he feels so hungry, sometime he came out to see maybe a beautiful morning, you know, but I'm not sure. So anyway, I will support that kid one day. You will see, guys, I'm telling you, Christmas Day, they will enjoy. I'm telling you, I'm not joking around. They will enjoy. So let's go. This is where I'm coming from, guys. Everything is super green. Look on even other side. Oh, Watengeri chisaro acha kujifanya msanii wewe. Kigotege.
No, takogamba mura.
They are listening music, guys. Village boy. Watengeri sir. Wow, guys, maybe they came from circumcision ceremony, and for me, I don't want maybe to interact with those kind of our culture right now, because sometimes maybe if you went maybe to circumcision ceremony, they don't like maybe to wear red stuff like this, to have a long hair like this. You must cut into short form, and for me I don't like, man, I'm telling you, you know. So, and that is my simple form way of my life. Wow, these videos, it will go longer up to on that kid's home up to there, and I will show you. And I'm praying maybe one day like today I could meet with both parents, and then maybe to say hello to you, to say hello to them, and then that is it. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like yesterday it was purely rain. You can see the stagnant water here. Look. So this is where I'm coming from, guys. That's the struggle of our village here. Maybe sometime you interfere with rain, muddy, and all in where we have cassava over there. Cassava plantation, I'm telling you. Let's go. This road going to the river, going deep. Wow. Let's go. Today's a bright morning, man. I'm telling you. It's a bright morning. See, from East African Kenya, guys. Bright morning. You see the sky is blue. Oh my God, the sky is blue. But I'm remaining with 900 meters apart from here to reach on that house, and then I will show you. Maybe for those new subscribers who are reading maybe the comment and watching my videos, or you have other people read the comment but don't watch my videos, in case maybe today you feel like you could watch this vlog, I want to show you that house. It's within here. Wow, it's within right here. Let's go. It's the maize corn, guys. Over there, it's doing so good and very healthy. It's doing good and very healthy, you can see. So I'm telling you, farming is the main backbone in our village, guys. So the sun is coming on the other side. Oh, when I'm going this way, guys, you will see me clear. But I'm almost to reach on that home, and you will see. You will see, guys. Hey, what a beautiful day in Africa, guys. Look, you see all over. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, what an amazing day. Look, guys, where I'm coming from, look, it's purely green and blue in sky. The sky is blue in color, guys. Guys, no matter what, let me go inside. I see the door have been open, and then I say maybe hello to both parents. what parents I can meet. Maybe one parent, two parent, or one. Uwe, ekiore. Hey, kijana wako ako wapi? Hey, guys, finally I meet their parent or her mom right now. Wow. Unajua jana nilipita hapa asubuhi. Nikasalimia kijana wako. Huyu? Njoo useme hello rafiki yangu. Njoo useme hello. Sema hello.
Sema shikamoo. Simama hivi msalimie. Sema shikamoo.
Sasa this is her mom, guys, for that kid. Sasa kuna mtu alisema atatuma pesa ninunulie nguo.
Uko wapi?
Pesa zitatumwa. Nilichamwe muki. Bahire sokoni. Achaguri chingepo.
Hiyo ndo.
Tatiwa anaje chitomo na chini cha msori.
Msalimie. Mshike mkono.
Na nikiwanulia mattress. Usiona atandora.
Tuandike. Waandikisha balozi.
Ukweli nisije kunulia mattress mchana.
Hatutachana, tutatuwekea huko ndani.
Sabone haki.
Yoruba.
Guys, imagine they are living here. Waro no mwana moke.
Wasichana. Ndio salon.
Twende basi tomorrow. Guys, she has 2 kids and maybe her husband went maybe for small hustling. And this kid were being maybe from one of my subscriber promised that he was going maybe to buy for him some clothes. I'm telling you guys. And for me on Christmas Day, I wanna maybe buy for him some shopping for the Christmas. Uwe? Hapa ndo mnaishi? Imagine guys. Mmepanga. They are renting here. Na mnalala hapo. They are sleeping there. What if nikiwanunulia mattress? Unaweza rarua? Guys, I'm telling her, what if maybe when I get money and buy for her some big mattress and maybe some mats, because first we lay down mat and you put mattress and maybe some blanket, guys. Advise me guys, because yesterday I was passing there and this kids calling me and then say hello to you, and I say, you know what guys, let me say hello to kids. And that's maybe the blessing that I see maybe from my local community, guys. If this story would touch you guys, and you can see they're sleeping down here, no mattress. She has a young beautiful ladies, you see down there, so I don't want maybe to show kids too much, but okay, ngoja tuone zikituma tu ndo mle mtoto ngo na maybe vitu zingine, lakini hadi Christmas nitakuja kufanyia tu shopping. Okay guys, they came from there and this is where maybe they stay, maybe paying rent and all stuff. But anyway guys, that is it. So I'm trying to show you what maybe yesterday passing through. Imagine I was standing here shooting my videos, that young kid or young boy calling me and say like shikamo, habari, and then I say, you know what guys, let me say hello. And maybe it's God send me or God sent him to say to me hello. And then I said hello on camera. So I get one of a good Samaritan subscriber, my beautiful subscriber. They want to support him maybe in terms of clothes. And guys, you have already seen the background. But in other way guys, I'm not doing charity. But if you feel like you can support that mom, you can support guys. So my big aim is on Christmas Day, I'll make for him some small shopping, maybe buying for them milk or soda, bread or mandazi or chapati, anything, and then they can enjoy as other people celebrating Christmas. And for them on the same day they could be celebrate, guys. Wow, I'm keep going, continue my journey. So today's videos, it's to welcome a visitor, maybe at home. If you know guys, in the comment section. Let's go. You see the beautiful house. That house, it's a good new model. But anyway, so guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. Guys, so right now, finally, I'm in Nyabohansi right now. So I want to buy bread here for $1. I am cruising with them. You go for it. Hello. So guys, I want to buy one bread for, it costs $1. Imagine life in my village. 03. So this is the bread here, and I want to put on this small bag. So I'm stuck inside here. Asante. Well guys, so finally I'm just going with my this bread here. You see that music system? So maybe most of the villagers, that have been said earlier, we are on a circumcision ceremony. So as you can see that young man, they're passing with a system. So they came from maybe circumcisions where it's taking place. And anyway guys, so this bread, they are inside here, you see. So I'm taking to congrat dad, and then so Dave Jr. he was the one who sent me this one. And actually maybe right now it's early morning here, and people need to put something on table. So that's where I'm heading to. And then guys, you will see my visitor for today. Maybe if your brother visiting you maybe for the first time, brother from your mother on the same blood, we're calling visitor. Why not, guys? We're calling visitor. So for me, I'm just keep going deep, and then I'm heading to this, like no more hide. I'm showing you how I'm moving on, how I'm doing things. But there's something which are very maybe private, you need maybe to keep as a secret. There is something that is public, and then I put like now, no more maybe hide, guys. I bought bread. I'm showing you like how I'm coming from home, going this way, and maybe it was my first maybe time to do like this, but I'm so grateful, guys. I'm telling you. Look, right, so I'm keep going, guys. Maybe you can comment on the comment section, guys. How do you look my village, guys? Super amazing. Look, guys, where I'm coming from and where I'm heading to. Not a different, guys. Not a different, guys. Right, but sorry, we have too much sunny. That's why the sun, it affects maybe my skin right now. And sometimes it's gonna rain. We have some few minutes from now. That's why maybe as a content creator, I myself, baby, I must maybe to wake up in the morning, making video for you guys and for my own benefit. So because when it's raining anytime, man, I'm telling you, you can't shoot any video. You can't shoot, trust me, you can't shoot any video. You know what I mean, guys. So stay tuned. When I'm reaching at Congrat Dad, I will show you guys. Wow. Hiyo kwa tema gani? Hiyo. Hiyo kwa tema. Kwa nini ndio kwa sasa? Bomolete. This is a music, guys, system, I'm telling you. If you remember that the guy who passed me, that one, I'm telling you. So right now, guys, it's a circumcision ceremony, and most of the people maybe interact in other ways. So maybe to have to have the system and all stuff, guys. You know what I mean? Hey, it's dark here, guys. But anyway, at least you see that guy who was maybe passing me when I'm making the videos, but in good way, I found him right on time. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. Anyway, guys, keep continuing with my vlog, guys. Welcome. Okay. Saya hata ninyo. Nada. Put here. Alright, thank you. Guys, I want to wash my hand here. I had soap. Guys, what a beautiful day. Again. What? Oh, guys. Let's take tea. Right now, that's okay. That is it, guys. Oh. Tanga pono mogatevo. Brubandi hoere. On top breakfast, guys, here. So I want to add blue band here. Like I'm applying blue band. Oh, guys. God bless this food. When I take it in Jesus' name, I pray. Amen, guys. I'm praying for my food. Wow, guys, I finished taking my breakfast from here. So my mom today, I brought the visitor here, so she can't believe. Mom, I'm getting the huyu. Akiwa magata kola agera. Tazimi ready. Guys, do you remember on my video early in the morning? I told my mom today you will have the visitor around the home, and mom, she can't believe what I'm saying. But honestly, what I'm saying, it's true. So he was a relative to my mom, guys. See. Welcome. Mama mgeni wako ngoko no.
Igombuya nandu to kitamba kika.
She's baby's mother. She's calling kike.
Umuchara guko ya.
Guys,
wow, they cook rice.
Hey, so she's cooking rice right there. And actually you can see an egg there.
Yes, there's one 10-leg egg there.
That's a hen. That's an egg.
Yes.
Welcome home.
Yes, guys. Hey. Hey, mama mgeni mbengo kono.
Mbuya.
Hi.
So the baby told his.
Yes, so recently I was launching this sort of fisher with my mom. Yeah. So it's full. The tank is here. Here.
Oh, it has full water?
Yes, there.
Oh yeah, you can feel it.
So I'm telling my mom to use the water So when it's full, maybe the water will be coming out. So the mineral using, it reduced.
Who did for you the planting?
Chacha plumber, the plumber from Nyabohans.
Oh, I just
Njoo
joined
twende.
there. So I'm saying goodbye.
Yes. So they wanna say goodbye to my African mom.
Aya, goodbye.
Bye.
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 Yes. So guys, finally we're just over here with
David Jr. here.
yes.
So I decided to come at this place so I can see how everything is because it's been a while. And just to remind myself about my childhood memories because where we came from, it's a river where I used to come from school, fetch water, drinking water, then go back because at times it could be very thirsty,
Yeah.
especially during 4 p.m. time hours. It was crazy. Yeah.
And imagine all the way from home, my mom came to fetch water here. But nowadays I say, God, thank you. I installed the tank.
Right.
And a big shout out to one of my subscribers who done it possible. May God bless you. So right now my mom, no more struggle maybe coming to the river.
No more struggle.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Things are very smooth.
Yes. Smooth life now. Yeah.
That is
Whew.
it.
So maybe I'll go and bring the baby.
Yeah, bring the
go.
motorbike. For me, I'll be waiting for you here.
Okay, you wait me.
Yeah.
So guys, oh, let me rush up, guys. Woo. Woo. We come from the river, guys, and actually that's where my mom fetch water up to nowadays, and the things change. Now we have tank. Maybe my mom could decide to use that water in a good way, maybe for cooking, drinking, things like that, and maybe taking shower. For meanwhile, by the time goes, I will construct a borehole for fetching water, maybe for taking baths, washing clothes, and all stuff. But I'm so grateful to share idea with David Jr. And when I'm starting my vlog early in the morning, I'm telling you today I have a visitor, so which is David Jr. So you know, when maybe somebody visits you at your home, we call him a visitor, and that is it. I'm just following vibe, and actually right now I'm going to take the motorbike. Technically I have the key here. You see one? It's TVS, this one, and it's a brand new, guys. I'm telling you, no jokes. It's a brand new. So it's a long distance from the river up to my home, and when you came from the river going this way, it's a kind of a hill, so you had maybe some muscle cramp and all stuff, or muscle pull start inching you like at the back here. So anyway, I know where I'm coming from, and I was so grateful to my own background like this. You see, wow. So guys, what a beautiful day which God have granted us. We are lucky enough. We see the sun, we bask the sun, we see the green nature, we see the rain. What a good day, what a good environment like this, you know. You can tell people what a good environment, man, what a good environment. Look, very green. And I love the fact that in the morning when I was going to Nyabohans, and I received the call early in the morning by Dave Jr. Oh, today I visit you to a home. I said okay, and then the good thing about me, I start shooting the video immediately, you know. So sometime we share idea, right, left, center, so to make sure that we push one another. And guys, from my heart, this is a humble request. If you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe. I need your full love, your full subscription toward my channel, and the sweet comment, guys. That is it, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. I'm keep going this way. Wow, guys, I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired, but my baby has an issues. So that being said, please guys, if you want to buy a motorbike, I'm advising you, don't buy a second-hand motorbike. Every time when you solve this one happen. Like, you can spend all the day, like all the months of the year, so you can able to buy a new stuff from the shop. Like we bought for Congrats Dad from the shop, guys. So that is it. Guys, imagine I put new tires, front tires, and then after that I changed the oil, and finally I heard the piston got some issues, so I need to keep my baby inside, and I will use my foot by walking around the village looking for the content. That is the fact. When it's happened. But I'm advising you guys, if you want to buy something like motorbike, go direct to the shop, buy new one, not going for the old one. Remember too, this is my sister enjoying local. Look. Okay. Alright. Mama, mimi naenda. Napeleka pikipiki. Tunaenda. So bye for now. So karambeta charusiri. So bye for now, mom. So I want to drive Dave Jr. back to home with the brand new motorbike, and maybe when God bless me I will have new one, because hiyo pikipiki nyingine inanisumba. Sasa hii ilichoma piston, ilichoma. So I'm telling my mom, my bike have some issues. The piston gets some problem. That being said, early guys, if you want to buy a motorbike, like you know, look like my mom, she was wonder. Story for another day, mom. So my mom, she wonder, guys, my bike gets some problem. So I'm advising you guys, I'm repeating this, if you want to buy something new like this one, and you can't maybe have the problem because it's a brand new, and you know how to maintain and all stuff. But if you buy maybe second hand from somebody else, you don't know what issue that bike has it, and then if you solve this one happen. If you solve this one happen. But the fact thing about this bike, since we bought from the shop, no maybe issues, it's good, it's well and all stuff. But anyway, let me show you my bike, the issue which they have, and maybe guys can maybe solve that issues. Wow. For me, no more hide, guys. No more hide. I'm telling you, no more hide. Wow. In the morning, my sister washed for me some slippers here, you know. So this is my baby here, and there's some issues inside here for the engine. Actually, we call the piston and rings, both two things we banned, because it's doing like and then blink more smoke outside by using this exhaust. So I asked the mechanic. He told me you must change the piston and rings. Man, for now guys, I'm speechless, and I have nothing to do with my motorbike. But anyway, let's go. Imagine, guys, this is a brand new. Oh guys, if you watch my videos, I was driving this motorbike all the way from Kisi town up to here, and it's a walking distance, imagine. But when this machine is new, man, it's running. So it's 150 HLX 150cc. That is it, and mine is 125cc. So wow, guys. Guys, what a feeling to sit on a new brand machine, you know. And that's the fact which maybe I'm a good driver and then I know how to drive this motorbike. But most of the people maybe advise me wear the chest guard and all stuff. Guys, where I'm coming from, that things we get it, but sometimes if we doesn't have maybe money to afford, we keep maybe wearing clothes and all stuff. But anyway, guys, let's go. So the meter box is working. Some kilometers, it's read neutral and fuel. Right now the fuel they are on middle. Here is full, is empty. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Stay tuned, guys. I love you, guys. Wow, guys, so finally we're outside and we're heading to Mr. Gake place. You can hold the camera while I'm riding.
Guys, so that's what it is. So we're heading somewhere, guys, so keep watching the video.
Wow, you see the cow. Ew. We are heading to the deep village, guys. Maybe you can give your friend say hi.
Yeah, guys, so here you have Nico_Boda, guys.
Yes, guys, my name is Nico Boda, Virginia boy. We are here. We are going somewhere. So let's show you a lot from here.
Yeah, guys, so go support me. And also check me out at Gake. Also check me out
I'm waiting banana here, and at the same time we're just over here to see what's going on. Let me show you guys. Officially the work starts. People are enjoying there. Kuna misumari
mingi sana.
achana nayo, kama ina misumari saribu mashini. Oh guys, Masubo, kuna misumari hii mti bana itaharibu nyororo. Suju ion. Guys, there's some nails here. They wanna affect maybe the power so guys. Imeguza? Oh. So sisi wangeacha tu zikebo zichome matofali. Acha kama ni za kuchoma matofali ziko safi. Juu ukisema wanakata zitaharibu mashine. Ona misumari. Ona. Au misumari gani? Kama ni za kuchoma matofali ziko sawa.
Hii itaingia
Eh?
Oh.
Itaingia.
Jaribu nikakata ile.
Au kuharibu.
Hiyo ilikuwa kubwa, si ndio?
Oh guys, this one could be okay for burning the bricks, guys. Imagine. So we just at Mr. Gake's home, currently home, guys. So we just over here. The power saw. Wow. Siuangushe kwenda kwa mama.
Afadhali, twende. Niende hivi tangu.
They want to cut trees, guys. Oh guys, so we just over here and officially Mr. Gake, he want to start the project of building her mom dream house. I'm telling you guys, we are not joking. As we struggle right to the center, we make sure that we change our parents maybe from scratch up to now. Don't mind guys, I'm on my new jacket because of maybe too much of the windy, and I was riding the motorbike. I said, you know what, guys, I'm supposed to have the jacket. So it's the material here. So we cut these trees, and then maybe this log will be removed during maybe construction, guys. Guys, so finally it's time to pull these branches here. So we want to take the measurements for the house. No problem, guys. Pull it. So they will be okay. Hey. You see, we try to pull this. Oh my God. I think here will be better. And Mr. Colorado is measuring here.
We are starting, guys, to measure.
Yes,
You can see.
guys, sorry.
Yeah, I put here this called the mark.
Mark.
Yes. No,
And then, guys, we have the surveyor fit just over here. We bought the brand new, and it's 30 meters long. Wow. Hayang, nyang 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 from China.
From China.
You could nyang 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 from China, guys. But I'm not a Chinese, guys. Sometimes it creates jokes. No, no, ragwe. This, you see these logs? There, hey, we can hook. Take them to put there. Wow. Oh, guys, I finished cutting these trees here. Hey, man. Ruta, usingutuyango kiangere mo. Say hello. My work is to cut the hanging branch as my brothers take this. Oh! Yeah? Right. Kana amekata kamba. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, men at work here. No jokes. No joke. Work. Where is the hammer?
Hammer is this, but I forget the big one.
The big one.
You know, the big one is better, is good too.
For meanwhile, use what you have
This is
now.
not heavy, you know. We need
No, my friend, what you have right now, just use. Maybe tomorrow we come with those big ham.
But this is not dry too much.
Wow, guys.
Very wet, right?
You see, guys, men at work. So stay tuned, guys. Oh, guys, so finally continue the measurement here. You have the square. Oh, somebody's calling me.
Wanaweka hivi hakuna funga kamba hivi.
That's the gospel, guys. You know, every morning I was listening to the gospel. You are faithful. You see this angle, you know? So we put the square and it gives you the exact measurement. No problem. So tomorrow morning, maybe by God willing, you shall see how people running here with djembes digging the foundation. At least we create job opportunities, and most of the people maybe gain from here benefit, you know, maybe by getting maybe money, putting something on table. Oh, even I myself, I'm just over here working, no problem, with the Colorado. Toto mwambia shusha pande. Ikiwa umepanda unamwambia anashusha.
Jua imeshuka.
Take measurement, guys. This is the square. You see, guys?
Emshusha.
Teremsha sasa chini kidogo tutakwambia pole pole.
Chini.
Hayo. Bado.
Kidogo tu chini.
This line must be equal with that one.
Achia hapo hapo.
Hayo.
Gonga. Wacha nikuja nigonge.
Acha gonge mfunge tuone ndo tutoke.
Tarudia masikio unajua
Now the birds guys are making noise here. Let me show you. You see? They're constructing a house here guys, look. Well guys, anyway, this house we started a lot of blessing guys. You had the birds welcoming us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. By God's grace guys, we shall win by maybe constructing this house. Takaza ambe sasi.
Acha nije kukukazia. Wacha.
Guys, so did the tape measure did from 0.
Imefika wapi anko? Nani hapa? Hapo. Hiyo no kisha gongo inaingia tu hapo. Sasa mimi nitachezea hapo.
Umanyero kubimi nyumba nkumaga nenke tigeche korogara kya mngaseti pa matofali. Ya priskiri kwa ni kidogo. Akidoka timejengo imekuwa roofing. Nyama huo.
Ilikuwa kabisa.
Wow. Gonga kabisa. Kisha tatema
wewe kamba kutoka hapa.
Atema wewe kwa tapo kungu.
Neke kamba.
Hey.
Kamba.
That's Mr. Gaki on the building. No problem. Maybe guys.
Kuja hapo. Neke kamba.
Guys, as I did measuring there, so we had the tractors coming with material here guys. So we want to direct them how they wanna put those material guys. Whew. Wow. So the people not passing here guys. Telling you. But this place is full of maybe.
Yanko. Mau harurata che baru hi kensiam.
Every part have stagnant water. You can see there, so that's the reason why maybe people will not pass guys, so we'll maybe slide. You see water everywhere. It's a kind of a swamp.
Asama, tamehano sasa. Ingemba deno.
Ma, afinya acha kono. Simbe na akong.
Guys, so we try to see whether this tractor it can pass.
kuruhinga kigoroko ye
ya kwirutanyora haki
ata kendu kuyu agenda kunguni
Oh guys, so the tractor is coming right now with material, full force. So guys, finally we try to use the tractors. So when it's bring like 3 trips, I think maybe it's 2.5 tipper. See, full of sand. Look, see this one, full of sand. Wow. Maybe they've got on the other side to build.
sasa tuome ham naye iguri iga
sina maisha mwage tu hapa bwana mwambia mwage hata ukiinga
Hapo. Siguza kamba. So they want to cut the corner going this way and then pour this sand here. So that is it, guys. Hi, where mwaga? What the homora hai? So guys, I'm telling them to put there.
kama mnarusha rusha
Iko sasa ndo akirudi sasa atakuja reverse akiweka wakienda. Guys, after work, we have the special food here. These meats, cakes, and everybody's enjoying here. Look, even Colorado.
Yeah, I'm enjoying here. My friend, you know, hungry.
Hungry.
Yeah, we need.
Guys, we are working together, but we have one person who maybe they can survive in jungle. You know this man here. Serious. Sasa hivi umeshiba. No problem guys. Look, that's my dish. My friend. Sorry, my brother. How are you?
What's up?
Yes, I unaongea.
I know, I have power.
Mr.
I have
Gaki.
energy to talk.
How are you? You going? Guys, finally we finish everything. So maybe by tomorrow is to dig the foundation. Right on time. Yeah?
Tutakuja tuigonge kesho.
Kesho unarauka asubuhi na kamba mnapiga. Wow. So it's time to go back home, guys. It's so late, and I feel like I could maybe go back home to take a shower, guys. We shall meet on the next video, guys.